Hello friends, today I am here with the concept of class 9th, chapter 4, exercise 4.2. Yes, I will discuss the concept by examples. Your first question is check which is the solution of equation x minus 2y is equal to 4 or not. Your first is coordinate is 4 comma 0. We will check one by one. Three parts are here but this equation is only one. In first part 4 comma 0, you know first point is of your x, second coordinate means of y. So in your left hand side you will put the values of x and y. You are getting 4. Right hand side also it is having 4, so both are equal, so this is the solution. Now for second point, where x is root 2, y is 4 root 2, you are putting in the same equation. Yes, then it will become 1 root 2 and 4 to the 8 root 2. You know कि root 2 will remain same, minus plus minus, and you will take the sign of bigger term. So minus 7 root 2, this is not equal to 4, so it is not a solution. So your next term is 1 comma 1. Whenever x is 1 and y is also 1, I am putting here, and you are getting the answer minus 1, which is not equal to 4, so it is not a solution. Now next question is write for the solutions of given equation this. Whenever you will see you have given one equation, you have to find 3, 4, whatever solutions. You will prefer the values of 0, 1, 2, 3. Not of x only, you can take of y also. But I tell you why I have taken x, because whenever I will take y, it will become 0 upon 5, 1 upon 5, every term will become in rational number. So that's why I have taken the values of x. You can take of x or y, whatever. I am taking x 0, so 5 into 0 is 0, that is y. So your coordinate become 0 comma 0. Whenever you are putting x 1, then 5 into 1 is equal to y. So your point 1 comma 5. Second is your coordinate x is equal to 2. So 5 into 2 is 10, that will become 2 comma 10. Third coordinate you have taken x equal to 3, then 5 multiply 3, it will become 15. 3 comma 15 means firstly you will write x coordinate, then y coordinate you will take. And the next question is find three solution of equations x minus 2y is equal to 4. Equation can come in any form, so I again prefer x equal to 0. When any number x or y is without coefficient, you will prefer that number to put the values. Same here, 0 minus 2y equal to 4, then you will divide it, it will become minus 2. So 0 is giving minus 2. Then I put 1, 1 minus 2y equal to 4, 1 will come in that side, it will be subtracted. So y is equal to minus 3 by 2. So you are getting 1 comma minus 3 by 2. Similarly, I am putting 2. Also, you are getting the answer 2 comma minus 1. Now, next question is how many solutions of this equation? Unique means 1. 2 means 2 solution. Infinite means many solutions. Whenever you will see it has infinite many solution, because why we are saying, because there are so many solutions of x and y which are satisfying. I have taken example also. Suppose I am taking x is 2 and y is 1, then you are getting both sides equal. Whenever I am taking x 0, y is minus 2, again you are getting same sides, left and right. It means, so it is clear, when you see in equation there are two variables, then always it has many solutions. Yeah, infinite many solutions. Next question is find k if x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1 in equation this. It is very simple. You will put the value of x and y and you will find k. It is not necessary कि k must be there. K can be anywhere, but you have to put the values to find k. Next question is find the graph of the equation. You did this concept in 8th standard also. Now where you will see you have already found the solutions from the previous question I took. I didn't solve again. You can take these solutions I am getting. Now I will plot them. You know how to plot. Firstly, x 0, y is -2. In front of 0 you will take -2 and then 1 before -3/2. In this way you are getting the graph.